I know I've been stalling on the content, but nevertheless, this series is all about how to start an online business. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to start an online business in my full Udemy course. But I wanted to drop some free nuggets here and there so you guys can check out what the real course is going to be like. All right, so in this series, this one is for Stasia's Online Beauty Academy. So this is especially relevant if you want to start your own online business teaching something. So Stasia is a professional cosmetologist who wants to start an online business teaching other full-time working moms who want to transition into cosmetology. She realized, how difficult it was to go to a traditional program to get her cosmetology license, being that she's a full-time mom. And so what she wanted to do was provide some an online courses on online courses to help other full-time working moms be able to achieve getting their cosmetology license. So her whole angle is, more flexibility for what works better, for a full-time mom, essentially like the experience that she wished that she had when she was going through this, when she was going through her transition and wanting to help others who might be thinking about pursuing cosmetology. So that's our backstory on Stasia. So what you guys are going to see me go into today is connecting the nurturing system. So right now, oh, by the way, let me say this. This is going to be a very interdisciplinary course. There's going to be the segment where I get more into the business aspect of it, like I did just then. There's going to be a piece where I get more into the technicalities because we actually are building a real business system underneath this so that we can offer this as a digital product by the end of this. So you guys are going to see this in real time live, us developing this new digital product that goes hand in hand with the real business use case. Anyhow, there will be the technical component where I break down, what we're building in the background to help this process. And then there's going to be the marketing aspect, right? Like actually taking this new product to market, how does she get her leads and talking about the marketing aspect as well, especially if you really do own a business. You need to understand how to actually get real customers. So at some point, we'll have the business problem that we're trying to solve. We'll have the technical infrastructure that'll solve that problem. But then we need the marketing part that actually brings in the customers. All right. So that's how this course is going to be divided up. It'll be labeled. So if you are a techie and you want to see the technical breakdown, then you can go into that and skip it. If you're a big marketing person and that's more important to you, you want to see me even design some of the graphics and things of that nature, you can do that. And if you're just someone who wants to understand it from a business perspective, like this is not theoretical. Like I've actually brought real businesses and I help real founders. So if you happen to just be a founder and you just need some business tips, and you have questions in real time about um, things relating to running your business more efficiently and attracting your targeted audience, this would be great for you too. So I hope you guys enjoy the full course once it's available on Udemy. In the meantime, please, please, please enjoy the snippets that I drop here and there on YouTube that gives you guys like a little preview of what's to come. Peace.